Hello guys, welcome back to my channel VIVEK'S Math Class. Today our channel has crossed 100 subscribers in just 16 days. So I would like to thank all of you. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise problems which is very important for the board examination. They may ask this type of questions for 3 marks. So please watch the video till the end and practice it. Before starting the class, if you are not subscribed this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all of your friends. Find the 31st term of an arithmetic progression whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Here in this question, the value of 11th term and the 16th term of an arithmetic progression is given, and now we have to find the value of 31st term. Solution. Given in this question they have given 11th term of an arithmetic progression is 38, that is A11 is equal to 38, and the 16th term is 73, that is A16 is equal to 73. We have to find out the 31st term of an AP, A31. We have to find out 31st term of an arithmetic progression. We have nth term of an AP formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here in this formula we have to substitute the value of n 11, that is a11 is equal to a plus value of n is 11, that is 11 minus 1 into d. a11 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 is 10 into d. Value of a11 is given, that is 38. 38 is equal to a plus 10 into d. This is equation 1. In the same way we have to find a16, that is a16 is equal to a plus value of n is 16, 16 minus 1 into d. a16 is equal to a plus 15 into d. The value of a16 is 73. 73 is equal to a plus 15 into d. This is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get now we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2, that is a plus 15 into d is equal to 73, a plus 10 into d is equal to 38. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus a minus a get cancelled, and 15d minus 10d we get 5d as the answer. 73 minus 38, that is 13 minus 8 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, that is D is equal to 35 divided by 5. That is D is equal to 5 7s are 35. The value of D is 7. Now substituting the value of D either in equation 1 or in equation 2, we get the value of A. So I am substituting the value of D in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into value of D is 7 is equal to 38. A plus 10 into 7 is 70 is equal to 38. Shifting this plus 70 to the right side, we get minus 70. That is 38 minus 70. That is value of first term is minus 32. By knowing the value of A and the value of D, we can easily find out the value of 31st term. Now A31 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 31, so 31 minus 1 into D is equal to value of A is minus 32 plus 31 minus 30 is 30. The value of D is 7 is equal to minus 32 plus 7 into 30 is 210. Now subtracting these two terms, we can easily get the value of A31, that is 178 is the value of 31st term of an arithmetic progression. Next, 8th question. An arithmetic progression consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Here in this question, the third term value is given and the value of n and the value of an is given, and then we have to find out the value of 29th term. First, solution given. Here the value of n is 50. N is equal to 50. And the last term, that is an. An is equal to 106. 106. And the value of third term is 12. That is A3 is equal to 12. Now we have to find out the value of 29th term. That is A29 is equal to question mark. We have nth term formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the value of n and an in this formula, an value is 106 is equal to A plus value of n is 50. 50 minus 1 into D, that is 106 is equal to A plus 50 minus 1 is nothing but 49 into D. This is equation 1. Next, A3 is equal to 12. We have nth term formula A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the value of 3, n is equal to 3 in this formula, we can easily get A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 2D. The value of A3 can be written as A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 12. This is equation 2. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get A plus, equation 2 is, equation 1 is A plus 49 D is equal to 106. A plus, equation 2 is A plus 2D is equal to 12. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 49 minus 2 is 47. D is equal to 106 minus 12 becomes 94. That is D is equal to 94 divided by 47. D is equal to 47 ones are 47 twos are. The value of D is 2. Let us substitute the value of D in equation 2. We can get easily the value of A. Substituting the value of D in equation 2, we get equation 2 values A plus 2D is equal to 12. A plus 2 into value of D is 2 is equal to 12. A plus 4 equals 12. Shifting this plus 4 to the right side, we get minus 4. That is A is equal to 12 minus 4. That is A is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. The value of A is 8. Now, by knowing the value of A and the value of D, we can easily get the value of 29th term. That is A29 is equal to A plus value of n is 29 minus 1 into D is equal to value of A is 8 plus 29 minus 1 is 28. Value of D is 2 is equal to 8 plus 28 into 2, 56. That is value of 29th term is 64. Next, 9th question. If the third and the 9th terms of an arithmetic progression are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? In this question, they have given the value of third term and the 9th term, and they ask which term of this AP is 0. We have to calculate the value of n. Solution: given third term a3 is equal to 4 and the ninth term is minus 8. Now we have nth term formula, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. First, substituting the value of n is equal to 3 in this formula, that is a3 is equal to a plus value of n is 3, that is 3 minus 1 into d. Value of a3 is 4. 4 is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 is 2 into d. This is equation 1. Next, a9 is equal to minus 8. Substituting the value of n is equal to 9 in this nth term formula, we can write it as a9 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Value of ninth term is minus 8. Minus 8 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into d. This is equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get, that is equation 2 is a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. Equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 4. Plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. Here plus a minus a get cancelled and 8 minus 2 is 6d is equal to minus 8 minus 4, we get minus 12 as the answer. Then d is equal to minus 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. That is d is equal to minus 2. Let us substitute the value of d in equation 1. Substituting the value of d in equation 1, we can easily find out the value of a. Value of equation 1 is a plus 2d is equal to 4. Therefore a plus 2 into value of d is minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus into minus, minus 4 equals 4. Shifting this minus 4 to the right side, we get plus 4. That is a is equal to 4 plus 4. That is a is equal to 8. Here the first term is 8 and the common difference is minus 2. In the question, they have given the condition that nth term is 0. If an is equal to 0, then nth term of the formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let us substitute the value of an, a and d in this nth term formula. We can easily get the value of n. So an is equal to 0 is equal to value of a is 8 plus n minus 1 into value of d is minus 2. 0 is equal to 8, plus into minus, minus 2 into n, 2n, minus into minus, plus 2 ones are 2, that is minus 2n, plus 8 plus 2, 10. Now shifting this minus 2n to the left hand side, we get plus 2n. 2n is equal to 10, that is n is equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are. N is equal to 5. So the conclusion is the fifth term of the given arithmetic progression is 0. Next, 10th question. The 17th term of an arithmetic progression exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. Here, in this question, they have given a condition, that is condition is 17th term of an AP, that is A17 exceeds its 10th term, that is A17 is equal to A10 exceeds its 10th term by 7, that is plus 7. In this question, they have given the condition that A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. Now we have to find out the common difference. We have AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substituting the value of n is equal to 17 in this formula, we can get A17 is equal to A plus n value is 17 minus 1 into D, that is A17 is equal to A plus 16D. Similarly, substituting the value of n is equal to 10 in this formula, we can write it as A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, that is A10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1, 9 into D. This is 17th term, this is 10th term, this is 10th term value. Substituting these two term values into this condition, we can easily find out the common difference. That is, condition is A17 is equal to A10 plus 7. This can also be written as A17. Shifting this A10 to the left side, it becomes minus A10 equals 7. The value of A17 is A plus 16 into D. A plus 16 D minus value of A10 is A plus 9D. A plus 9D is equal to 7. That is A plus 16D minus into plus minus A minus into plus minus 9D is equal to 7. Plus A minus A get cancelled and 16D minus 90 is equal to 7. Subtracting these two terms, we get 16d minus 90 is equal to 70 is equal to 7. That is d is equal to 7 by 7. 7 and 7 and that is common difference is 1.